performer from the last year's league as well. Andre is facing him. While Andre's got light eyes, we are hoping he gets...
Bharat Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में देवियों सज्जनों अब वक्त है पुरुषों के 65 यानी के 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। दिल्ली सुल्तान्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं यूक्रेन मूल के कवियातोव्स्की आंद्रे। Bharat Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul में अब आ रहे हैं एमपी योद्धास की ओर से अजरबैजान मूल के हाजी अलायेव।
वो भी आके टकराता है कर देते हैं इसका खात्मा। हर बाजी को खेले अपनी जान पे।
Andre is going to face against Haji Aliyev, one of the most tough competitions today. They're going to go neck to neck. This is going to go down to the whisker.
Well, I think this is the time where MP Yodhas need to belt up, buddy.
Now is the time. It's now or never.
It's now or never. They have just a few more games left. There are 2 more games coming up, and there we see on paper, yes, of course, we say that Delhi Sultans is at an advantage, but anything can happen. What state of mind the wrestler is, what kind of move that they made, it all makes the difference.
We've seen amazing comebacks from Pooja Dhanda, and if it wasn't for Pooja Dhanda, Punjab Royals would not have clinched the league for sure.
There you have it. Everything goes down in history. Every move, every point for these teams and these players makes history, and that is part of the Pro Wrestling League history.
If Shahrukh was here, it would have been 6 minutes. 6 minutes hai tumhare paas.
But then again,
70 minutes.
It is not that you who's at making that move. It's about somebody else who's there watching you, your every move, and has a counter already in his head already as soon as you're about to do that.
So you don't play the game, you play the man.
Yes, you play the man. And with your brain. You have to have speed, you have to have presence of mind, and you have to have power.
Including flexibility and agility.
Oh yes, of course. That is what all these lives are dedicated just to wrestling. This is all they do, and especially the traditions here in India, where you are Hanuman Bhakt till the time you have made your mark at a certain point in time.
But only Bajrang can clinch that medal. He's the true Hanuman Bhakt, don't you think so?
Yes, of course.
As per the name. But here we have Haji and Andre going at each other. You know, I mean, Haji has won a lot of accolades, especially in Las Vegas and Paris. He traveled there and won gold medal in both the championships. Do you think it's going to be party time, partying in Las Vegas, or being romantic in Paris after this match? What do you think is going to happen?
Well, that all depends on the after party you're invited at, and I will tag along with it.
Are you talking about me or are you talking about Haji?
Haji is our passport to party.
No, Haji has a valid passport between all 3 of us.
Oh, yes, of course.
He's traveling.
That's how he traveled to Rio Olympics, and that's why he was 3rd.
Well, and Haji had a great run in the last season as well. He did a fab job with his technique. And right now, in the male 65 kg category, which has also got Bajrang Punia fighting him out later on when they meet him, is going to be very difficult for them.
Yes, it's been a traditional rivalry. Bajrang Punia has a point to prove because he has been traditionally been the superstar of Indian wrestling, and when somebody else comes from the international waters, they have a point to prove.
Yeah, and right now Haji has a bigger point to prove because everybody wants to say Haji, hum jeete hain, but then Haji has to take it ahead. And look at that move. This move Andre wanted to complete, but completely blocked by Haji over there. Andre wants to turn it around, and look at that, the mat has the shoulders, so got 2 points in Andre's favor.
See, Andre converted that into his advantage. By the end of the day, they have not traditionally been fighting in the international circuit as much, you know. And Ukraine's style of wrestling is way different from Azerbaijan's. And Azerbaijan wrestling has more of an effect of Iranian style of wrestling, whereas Ukraine has more of a Greco-Roman style of wrestling, which these guys are trained in.
And if you look at this move, the whole idea of Haji was it's better to give away 2 points than to actually go for a pin.
Yes, that's a part of the defensive menu that you serve.
It's better to give away less points. For now, Khetik, the Ghatak, is standing there, who won by technical superiority. Technical superiority is all about having a difference of 15 points minimum.
That tells you how much of power you have, how you can control it, and then you can bring your opponent to the knees. And that's exactly what he did. He held him by the knees and he just twisted him and turned him around a few times.
So are you saying Khetik makes the other opponent go weak in the knees?
Red, open finger, blue, open finger, no finger.
Oh, he's got a smile.
Well, that will go a mile. And children enjoying the level best of wrestling. This is raw power. This is the Raw Powerhouse. Pro Wrestling League Season 4 on the mat.
These kids are the future of Indian wrestling scene. And the way it has come up over the years, for the past 4 seasons, we have seen that wrestling has gotten a lot of attention as compared to other traditional Indian sports. And as of now, we can see that all these international wrestlers coming in and showing their worth is quite worth the watch.
Well, and on now my watch, it's 4 minutes into this bout and only 2 of them left. 1 point ahead is Delhi Sultans. Over here, MP Yodha wants to make a mark. Haji going up and down, round and round, all around Andre to score points. He's going for the leg,
the attack.
But
We can see that. That's the advantage that right now has Haji Aliyev in full attention.
Andre has got Haji through an arm and he's not leaving that arm. Could be an armbar.
It could be, but then again, that's just one of the tactics, but he needs to control. Oh, that's there. Haji Aliyev gotten that advantage.
2 points. That's 2 points. When he gets into control, now the game has turned. It's 3-2 and 1.5 minutes to go. That's exciting.
Haji's in control, and on the other side, the other team is totally out of control because they need to get it going. Andre is still trying to figure out the chink in the armor, but he's not trying to find it.
Well, but now this bout is really crucial for MP Yodhas because they are trailing by 2 bouts minimum. If they win this, the score will come a little ahead. There'll be a bleak difference, but in a minute we'll get to know exactly where the pendulum goes to.
Sahil, it could be difficult, but it's still doable for the Yodhas.
Yeah.
This is the first time in this league, MP Yodhas. Oh, what a brilliant move. What a brilliant move.
That was a great save. That was a great save and such agility, such performance on this level. Haji took 2 more points away. Showed him why Haji went to Las Vegas and Paris and Andre didn't.
You have to be concentrating enough on the commentary, because when we're looking between the screen and where the wrestling is happening, just that nanosecond makes all the difference. As the slow motion sees it, it was at an advantage. This is how Haji Aliyev really took it for his advantage.
And look at the scoreline. That is a golden scoreline for the golden boy of MP Yodhas. 7-2 and 10 seconds to go in male 65 kg. Andre showing his inexperienced side, going for the moves, but Haji countering it minute after minute, second after second. And now 1 second and it's gone. With 2 more points, it's 9-2 in the favor of Haji Aliyev. Haji killing it, slaying it, like how he slays it in Azerbaijan. That is where he is from. Azerbaijan is a country that has given birth to a lot of wrestlers, and one of the top-notch is Haji Aliyev. The golden boy of MP Yodha prevails over Andre, who's got the blues, unlike his suit. And the box being very happy.
ले पंगा।